Welcome to the presentation for VCE Mathematics Options for 2021. My name is Brianna Andrew and I'm the Curriculum Area Leader for 2020. And this presentation will take you through all of the fantastic maths pathways that are available to our V3 students at Karwatha College P12. It is quite common as a teacher for students to ask us, will I need maths methods if I'm going to do this? Is it worth doing further mathematics if I want to study this? Should I do maths methods and further maths at the same time? Should I be looking at doing specialist mathematics somewhere along the line? All of these are really good questions. And hopefully this presentation will answer most of the questions that parents and students might have. First off, it's important to understand the maths pathways that are available in VCE at Karwatha College P12. For most Year 10 students next year who are choosing to study a maths subject, General Maths Unit 1 and 2 would be what their current maths teacher is recommending they study. This is an accessible course for those students who have successfully completed Year 9 maths and allows students to further study maths as a Year 11 or 12 student by completing further mathematics Unit 3 and 4. They can also, in Year 11, do this alongside starting the maths methods sequence. They study Units 1 and 2 as a Year 11 student and then continue their maths methods studies as a Year 12 student, completing Unit 3 and 4. We do have some students who choose to do 3 maths and as a Year 12 student also complete specialist maths Unit 3 and 4. It's really important when students are considering whether they'll complete 1, 2 or all of the maths, what sort of pathway they're looking at once they leave secondary school. There are many courses that have prerequisites that require students to study a maths or a specific maths. For example, many engineering courses require students to have studied maths methods Unit 3 and 4, whilst other courses require Unit 1 and 2 pass in general maths only. It is possible to complete Maths Methods Unit 1 and 2 as a Year 10 student next year, but this requires a strong recommendation by your current maths teachers as it is a challenging course and we would expect that only students who are currently achieving above the expected level would be looking to do that so that we can make sure that they're successful. It is also possible that a Year 10 student may choose not to study either maths at all in their VCE at Karwatha College P12 or not study a maths subject in Year 10 and then choose to start their general maths, further maths sequence as a Year 11 student. As a Year 11 student next year, it's likely that you've either studied general maths Unit 1 and 2 and you're looking to complete that sequence by studying further maths Unit 3 and 4, or you may have been studying maths methods Unit 1 and 2. In that case, you'd be looking at completing your maths methods sequence by completing Units 3 and 4. You may also choose to study further maths Unit 3 and 4 at the same time. If Units 3 and 4 maths method is completed by the end of next year by a Year 11 student, then they can choose to study specialist maths Unit 3 and 4 as a Year 12 student in 2022. I think it's really important now that you learn a little bit about the subjects themselves, what sort of topics they involve, what sort of skills are required, and what the assessment will look like.